In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $200 today, paid into your account, no waiting for commissions, no waiting for nothing. Now, what you're looking at on my screen is $800 in 24 hours from a simple text messaging software. Now, I was actually able to make over $1,400 in my first 2 weeks promoting this business. And if you guys want to see that video, I put it live on my channel about a year ago. You can look in the description below. I'll have that video posted there. But what I want to share with you guys in this video is a simple formula, okay, using chatbots. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the chatbot process. If you guys decide to join Press One Cash through the link in the description below, I'm going to give you this chatbot for free. Okay, so what you're looking at right now is the final process of the chatbot that I've gone ahead and set up. These are free to set up. Okay, so once you actually have the product that you can sell, you're able to make instant commissions, because the way that this business is set up, the way that this company is ran, is you go through and you pay an admin fee that goes to the business to run their business and keep everything afloat. And then what happens is we actually become resellers. Okay, what this means is I'm able to purchase this text message software and sell it as if it was my own. So sell it as if I went out there and created the product and stuff like that. Obviously, I'm not going to put my name on it, right? I'm going to use my name to promote it. But what this allows us to do is it allows us to make instant commissions. Okay, what that means is when somebody goes through and they actually purchase the Press One Cash software, okay, you're going to earn a commission, or whoever's promoting it is going to earn a commission. Now, this commission is $200, okay? As you guys see on my screen here, there's a couple of $200 payments right there. And in this video, like I said, I'm going to walk you through the chatbot process. Now, what I've actually gone ahead and done is I've set up a simple chatbot. And what this is it's a simple a bot set up to your Facebook account. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to go through and automate the entire process, okay? So when you join Press One Cash, you're going to get your own phone number, okay? Now, what's cool about this is I have a simple formula, which I'm going to give you guys inside of the Facebook group, which you're also going to get as a bonus, okay? But what's cool about this Press One Cash is you're going to get your own mobile phone number, and then when somebody calls that number, they're going to get a voice message or a text message, and they're going to get sent a link which redirects them to your chatbot, okay? Now, when somebody signs up to the chatbot, let me just show you the process. Okay, so what you're looking at right here is the process for the chatbot, which I've gone ahead and set up, okay? Now, the cool thing about this is you can literally copy this. What I can do is I can actually go up to the corner here and I can click on share this flow. Okay, what this means is I can literally give everybody on the team this exact formula, this exact chat flow, and then they can go through and just change out their links, and then you can start earning from these automated chatbots. Okay, so I've zoomed it out here because I don't want to reveal the secret messaging inside of it. Okay, but what we do is we ask them a couple questions, and then we direct them in the mode or in the motion that we want them to go, which is going to best suit their needs. Okay, so we give you guys this chatbot, and then the cool part comes into play right here, where if somebody actually signs up, if we go into the Press One Cash back office, what I do is I set one of these buttons up. Okay, so I just post this. I'll put this, give you guys this code here, and then what you can do is you can add the button. Okay, so when somebody goes here and they click here to upgrade, what's going to happen is they're going to get sent over to their chatbot, and the chatbot is going to say, congratulations on creating your Press One Cash account, right? To get started, you need to pay the $200 product fee. Okay, now the cool thing about this is I've actually linked this to my Stripe account. Okay, So what you do is you link this to your Stripe account, and then when somebody goes here and clicks to pay, what's going to happen is they're going to get paid, or you're going to get paid a $200 commission, because that's the product fee of Press One Cash. Okay, so the process is very simple, because once you have this bot set up, right, the only thing left to do is to actually go out there and promote your mobile number. Okay, now I haven't promoted this in a while, so my number actually got purged, and I'm going to be reactivating a new number. So if you guys want to get access to the new number, that's completely fine. I'll be posting that here after this video. It's kind of cool because I was getting I get a nice fresh number, which is awesome. But if we just look here, back when we were using it, right, we had a lot of calls coming in, right? And the best part about this is you can use many different traffic sources. So anywhere you can think of, right, you can send out postcards, you can send out Craigslist ads, which is awesome. You can do Facebook marketing, which is awesome. There's tons of different avenues, and if you guys want me to cover one of those specific avenues, maybe you guys want a video on Craigslist marketing or something like that, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll post up a video going over, or going a little bit in depth into whatever formula that you guys want. Okay, so that's going to be pretty much it for this video. I'm not going to go too in depth into it. One thing I do want to share with you guys here, if I just go over to the Facebook homepage, inside of the Six Figure Marketers Club, there is a video, right? And when you guys join, you'll get access to this group here. But in this video, you're going to get access to my Facebook training. Okay. Now, in that Facebook training is going to share with you how I actually get leads and how I actually get sales from Facebook. And again, I also have the video from my $1,400 in under 2 weeks with the chatbot formula using Press One Cash when we first got started. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys want to see. Do you want me to post another Facebook formula? Do you guys want me to post some Craigslist marketing or something like that? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will post up a video. Okay, so this is Dylan DeFazio with the Six Figure Marketers Club. Again, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.